This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Abigail Voorhees. This beautiful home has large windows for lots of light, features 4-bed/2.5 bath, an open floor plan and real hardwood floors. It sits on 0.49 acres in a cul-de-sac with no HOA. Close to shopping, dining and I-77 and 485. Relax on your custom design deck overlooking the large, private, fenced backyard. Roof, heat and air conditioner units replaced in 2018. Seller requests up to 60 days lease back and pre-approval letter or proof of funds for cash offers. Showings 10/22 to 10/24. For more information, review the details below or contact Abigail Voorhees at 443-534-5577.